Hello friends, in this video I will show how to type beta symbol in Microsoft Word. So there are three methods. First one, insert and equation, and here guys you will find beta symbol in this third line. Just select it. So this is the first method using equation. Second method, insert and symbol, more symbols. Select text as normal text. Subset, select here Greek and Coptic. This one, Greek and Coptic, and here you need to find out this beta, this one. You can find easily, just type this character code 03B2, and also guys you will see this shortcut key 03B2 Alt plus X. So this is the shortcut. Insert. Third method using shortcut 03B2 and Alt plus X. So you can type this beta symbol. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, in this short and basic video, today I will show you how to type beta symbol in Microsoft Word document. So there are three methods. First one, shortcut. So turn on number pad on your keyboard and type 03B2 and press Alt plus X on your keyboard. So you can type this beta symbol. This is the, so it's a first method. Second method, insert and equation. Click on this drop down, and in this third line you will see in this beta symbol. Select it. And third method using symbol, so insert and symbol, more symbols. So font, select normal text, and subset, select Greek and Coptic. And select this beta symbol, then insert. So these three methods you can type, you can write beta symbol in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching. Comment in this video, work for you or not.